Hello dear friends, let's welcome to Sunanda's Mathematics channel. Today we are going to start lesson number 7, circles. Already you have studied about circle in 4th standard. How to draw the circle? By using the instrument, it is called compass. You take the specific distance in the compass by using the scale and draw the circle. Here I have taken 4 centimeter distance. How to take 4 centimeter? Start with the first line where centimeter is written to number 4. If you want to take 4.5, you increase to the next 5 lines. Here I have taken the distance of 4 centimeter to draw this circle, and here I have drawn a circle of 4 centimeter. Now where I keep the point of the compass, that point is called center of the circle. So here point O is center of the circle, where this is the simple definition of center, where we keep point of the compass to draw the circle is called center of the circle. Here center of the circle is point O. Now next concept, what is mean by radius? The distance from center to circle is called radius. In this figure, segment OP is the radius. We can draw infinite radii. So many radii we can draw anywhere, center to circle, center to circle. So we can draw infinite radii. When single is there, we say radius. When many are there, we can say radii. Now in this figure, segment OP is a radius. What is the simple definition of radius? The distance from, here I will read, the distance from center to circle is called radius of the circle. In above figure, segment OP is the radius. We can draw infinite radii, means in any direction from center to circle. Everywhere you can draw the radius. One radius, many radii. Then next concept about circle is the chord. Now what is mean by chord? When we join any 2 points on the circle, it is chord. So look here. Here I have joined point C and D. So this segment CD is what? Chord. Here I have joined point A and B. So segment AB is also chord. What is the definition of chord? When we join any 2 points on the circle, that segment is called chord of the circle. In above figure, segment CD and segment AB are chords. We can draw infinite chord. Any 2 points we join on the circle, you will get the chord. Okay, got it? What is mean by chord? Join any 2 points on the circle, it is said to be chord. Let's come to the next point. What is mean by diameter? When the chord goes through the center of the circle, it's called diameter of the circle. Diameter is also chord, but from where it has gone? From the center. When the chord goes through the center of the circle, it is called diameter of the circle. We can draw infinite diameters also. Anyway, horizontal, vertical, slant, like this way you can draw so many diameters also. What is mean by diameter? A chord which goes through the center of the circle. So this figure shows diameter AB, diameter CD. See, what is mean by chord? When we join any 2 points on the circle, that is called chord. But when the chord goes through the center, it becomes diameter. It means diameter is the biggest chord. Diameter is the biggest chord or longest chord, we can say. Diameter is also a chord, but every chord is not a diameter. Then which chord is called diameter? The chord which goes through the center of the circle is called diameter of the circle. Got it? Here the definition. When the chord goes through the center of the circle, it's called diameter of the circle. Next point. Now see the interior and exterior of the circle. Very simple. The definition is in its name. Interior means inside. Exterior means outside. And on the circle means here, on the circle. This curved line is called circumference. This curved line of the circle is called circumference. So in this figure we will see what is the interior of the circle, exterior of the circle and on the circle. Here I have drawn a circle of 6 centimeter radius. Some points lies inside the circle, that is called, the points lies in interior part of the circle, and some points are lying outside, that is called exterior. The points lies in the exterior of the circle, and some points lies on the circle. This circular curved line, this is circumference. Some points lying on the circumference. So here we can distinguish all these points, points in the interior of the circle, points in the exterior of the circle and point on the circle. Now see point P, point Q, point T, point R. These all points lies in the interior part of the circle. Then point A, point B, point C, point D. All these points lies in the exterior part of the circle, and some points lies on the circumference of the circle, point N, K, L, M. So here I have written points in the interior of the circle, point P, Q, R and T. Points in the exterior of the circle, point A, point B, point C and point D. And points on the circle, point K, point L, point M and point N. So this is interior, exterior and on the circle. Got it? What is the interior and exterior of the circle? Okay, let's move to the next point. Here, an arc of the circle. What is meant by an arc? When we see any 2 points on the circle, this part of the circumference, when we join any 2 points or any 3 points on the circle, it forms the arc. So here we can see so many arcs, arc PS or arc SQ or arc PSQ or arc PQ, arc QR, arc PQR or arc PRQ. Like this way you can write so many names. You can take 2 points or 3 points from clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. You will get so many names of the arc. When we join two points, we get 2 parts of the circle. Okay? Arc understood. When we join any 2 or any 3 points on the circumference, this part of the circumference is called an arc of the circle. Here I have written some names of an arc. Understood what is meant by arc and how to read arc? Arc, you can take 2 letters as well as 3 letters also. Understood? So these are some important points in the lesson circle. Now one more point I want to discuss here. Relation between radius and diameter. What is the relation between radius and diameter? Diameter is double of its radius. In other way, we can say radius is half of its diameter. Here I have drawn a circle with 5 centimeter radius. So what is its diameter? Double of 5, so 10 centimeter. Understood? If radius is 3 centimeter, diameter is 6 centimeter. If radius is 6 centimeter, diameter is 12 centimeter, like this way. Or if diameter is 10 centimeter, its radius is 5 centimeter. When radius is given, to get diameter, double it. When diameter is given, to get radius, make half of that number. Understood relation between radius and diameter? Diameter is double of its radius and radius is half of its diameter. Understood all the points? Center, radius, chord, diameter, interior part of the circle, exterior part on the circle. What is meant by arc of the circle? Relation between radius and diameter. Okay, understood? Okay, bye, take care, see you.